Hey guys, I'm Sam. Now I show you the Giuseppe Zanotti, the woman size, the pink, yes, the pink one with you. Okay. Oh, you can see the comes more brightly. And that is the shoes. Okay, first let me show you around. Look, the shoes and the zipper so smoothly. Can you see? So smoothly. The shoes made by pure genuine leather, and the GZ logo so shiny, right? The shoes genuine leather made, so correct and soft. Uses the suede material. Look, and the so have good smells. Yes, it's good smells. The shoe also have one shopping bag. Black shopping bag and one duster bag. Also, we have a lot other Giuseppe Zanotti version the shoes. If you want no other information or other mode shoes, welcome to contact me by my WhatsApp. Some details, you can see the stitching. So clearly, look, so clearly, and good stitching. Giuseppe Zanotti. Okay, if you want no other information, welcome to contact me by my WhatsApp or my Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye.